Hi guys, I'm back with a video. Plus, it's a review also for many people because we cannot randomly buy online, as I've told you before, and we only can buy if somebody gives us a good review about the product and the use of it. These days, as you know, I am doing basically mostly review of the products which you can use at home, COVID-19 mein, and which will enhance your looks, which will help you look better in just fraction of seconds. And I've given you tips about the eyebrow pen. Then I gave you the tips and a product about your hairdo. This is another one for the eyebrows, and it is because some people have good eyebrows, right? But these days, because they are not able to maintain it, so how to give a shape, and उस पेन से अगर करा और कुछ ठीक से नहीं हुआ, मेरे साथ भी ये हुआ था कि कहीं के एक्स्ट्रा बाल निकल गए, तो what do we do? How do we manage? So what I have come across is, you can see my eyebrows. देखो, can you see them? It's in just one go. I didn't have to use anything but this product. So wait and watch. Let me apply a little lipstick. I'm looking very pale without it. Right? I'll be back. Hi, I'm back. My magenta lipstick. Now see, with the help of the makeup remover, I'm going to show you after removing it. Okay? Can you see? Now can you see the difference between these two? You did see, right? I took it off. अब मेरी ये वाली जो eyebrow है, इसमें sometimes कुछ ऐसे hair हैं which are really dicey. तो कभी कभी वो they like वो निकल जाते हैं. तो अब क्या करूँ? What do you do? Right? So what do you do is, this is the magic eyebrow applier. मैं धीरे से बोल रही हूँ to create a kind of image कि oh wow, something is coming. See, it is like this that when आप इसको एक तो खोल, हाँ, see this, can you see it? Right? So ये जो है, ये ऐसा ब्राउन कलर है विच विल गो विद एवरी कलर. आपके बिल्कुल ब्लैक हेयर है, आपके लाइट ब्राउन है, आपके डार्क ब्राउन है, इट विल रियली गो वेल. एंड द मैजिक पार्ट इज एट द बैक ऑफ इट, इफ यू कैन सी. The second one, I'll take it out. Can you see? Now in front of you, I'll apply and I'll show you the difference and the magic of my in my eyebrows, right? So I'll just, what I'll do is, I'll actually, I'm sweating also a bit, right? With the help of mirror, I have to do this. I cannot do it with the, this mirror is not, okay. So what I do is I take this, I rub it in. All right, now this goes this side. So I'll see to it where it starts and I'll just push it like a stamp. Can you see the difference? If you feel कि वो हल्का है, then take it again. Do it. Now can you see? Can you see it? How finely is it done? How much time did it take? You practice it, it'll take you 5 seconds. Now take the other one. Okay? This one. Now use it on the other side. See, this is done in one go. क्योंकि इसके जो hair है, they are rightly aligned. Now, can you see the difference? The eyebrows are one of the most important part on your face, and we all know that. That is why taking care of it is most important. So now that you've taken care of it, you're done. It comes, you're done and sorted. Do comment how I'm looking. Alright, so this comes very handy. It is a buy, and it is a good buy, let me tell you. Now it comes with 2 of these extra, but tomorrow, if you know what happens is you lose out in this, you get it outside, you can cut it, again place it in this. Understood? And sometimes your eyebrows will be a little different in shape, right? So you can draw your eyebrow, or you can see the shape in a sponge. You can draw and then you can place it in, because sponge will fit in anywhere, right? It is not going to be like, oh, it cannot be fitted or it is problem. नहीं, स्पंज को आप थोड़ा सा ऐसे करके फिट करोगे, वो फिट हो जाएगा. ठीक है? अगर आपको आर्क शेप चाहिए, अगर आपको कोई दूसरा शेप चाहिए, तो यू कैन मेक इट फॉर योर सेल्फ, फिट इन दिस. बट लेंथ इतनी होगी, ये वाली जो है लेंथ, ये इतनी होगी, क्योंकि ये इतना ही फिट आएगा. इसमें शेप डिफरेंट हो सकती है, और शेप डिफरेंट होएगी, ऊपर वाली शेप डिफरेंट कर लीजिए, नीचे वाली बिल्कुल ऐसे कर लीजिए. यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? आई कैन मेक वन फॉर यू नेक्स्ट टाइम एंड आई शो इट टू यू कि किसी को आर्क वाली चाहिए तो कैसे बनाना है. अदरवाइज कि आर्क जहाँ पर ये राउंड आता है वहाँ पे हल्का सा आर्क कर दिया, ऊपर वाला जो स्पंज है आपने वैसे उसको कट करा, नीचे वाला स्पंज वैसे कट करा जो उसका साइज फिट हो जाएगा. यू कैन यूज़ इट, यू कैन यूज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कन्वीनियंस. इट्स अ वेरी हैंडी थिंग, इट्स अ वेरी यूजफुल थिंग. Pencils, and then you use brushes and all that. This will define your eyebrows like no other. Like I told you, they will shape your eyebrows like nothing. This will define your eyebrows like nothing. So the review for this is, I give it 5 star, 100 out of 100. I bought this from Amazon. I'll share the link with you. If you want to buy it, go ahead and buy it. My review is really good product. Till next time, see you guys. I'm Gauri Gupta, what can I say about? I'm an image consultant and I am a soft skill trainer.